Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering a plastic card, hairdryer, microfiber cloth, and rubbing alcohol. Do this now. Once ready, test a hidden corner to check surface reaction. This avoids damage. Then heat the sticky note from about 2-3 inches away for 10-15 seconds until the adhesive softens. You should feel tack loosen. Make sure not to overheat. Now use the plastic card at a shallow angle to gently lift one edge while supporting the surface with your other hand. Once the note is lifted, continue by peeling slowly at a low angle. This reduces tearing and residue. If adhesive remains, apply 70% or higher rubbing alcohol to a microfiber cloth and blot the tacky area. Don't drench the surface to dissolve glue. For more stubborn spots, rub a tiny amount of cooking oil or an adhesive remover, wait a minute, then wipe away. Make sure to follow with a mild soapy wipe to remove oil trace. You finish by washing the cleaned area with mild soap and water and drying it with a clean microfiber cloth to remove any solvent residue. For delicate or paper surfaces, instead of liquids, lift remaining tack with a soft eraser or by gently dabbing with fresh tape. Make sure to inspect under good light for hidden spots. If you still see stains, try a citrus-based solvent very sparingly on a tested area. If it fails, stop and consult a conservation method to avoid damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.